Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says study the diagram. This diagram here. Now this diagram, it is a right angled triangle. Why so? Because of this symbol you are seeing here. Okay, now in a right angled triangle, the sum, meaning the addition of this angle and this one, supposed to give me 90. That's the actual meaning. Now the question is saying find the cos ACB. Now you need to know that here, if you want to answer the first step, you need to identify the sides. Okay, so now how do you know the sides? Because the right angle triangle has three sides. It has the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So now they have said the ACB. So A, it is here, C, it is here, then B, it is here. So the angle they are referring to, it is the angle at C. So they are referring to this angle here. Now, where this angle is pointing, it is the opposite. So this is the opposite. Now, how about the hypotenuse, which is the longest side? Now, for you to know the hypotenuse, you check where this arrow is pointing. It is pointing down. So meaning this is the hypotenuse. If this is the hypotenuse, then this will be the what? Adjacent there. Now, for you to answer this question, you need to know what is known as SOHCAHTOA. So this word here, SOHCAHTOA. This is for paper 1, by the way. SOHCAHTOA like this. So SOHCAHTOA like this. Okay, so like this. So SOHCAHTOA. So each part you see here has its own ratios. But here they have said cos, which is C. Cos, which is C. So now for cos, they are saying cos theta, it is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So meaning we will say cos theta. Now this theta simply means this angle. It is equal to what? Adjacent over what? Over hypotenuse. Like this. Over hypotenuse. Now, are we given the adjacent here? No. Are we given the hypotenuse? Yes. So you say over what? 18. I hope you are following. Now, how can we find the adjacent, which we're supposed to put here? We use now what? Pythagoras. Now, to use Pythagoras, you're supposed to square this one and this one equal to the square of this. So, meaning it will be 12 square plus, we don't know, we can put x square equal to the hypotenuse, which is 13 square. So, 12 square is going to give me 144, and then x square 13 square, it's going to give me 169. So this 144 will come there. So now I'm going to get x square equal to 169 minus what? 144. So x square is equal to, so once you subtract, you're going to get what? 25. So what is the square root of 25? It is 5. Meaning this 5, it is the one which is the adjacent. So you get this 5, then you put it there. So do you have any number which can go into 5 and 13 except from 1? No. So this here is the answer.